Hey guys, it's Kanya from My Rhythm of Life, and today I'm just sharing with you a little bit about my journey with Holistic Mayme, the sugar-freeing program for less anxiety that I'm on. I am on week 2 now, and this week we unpacked cravings, which is a huge thing for freeing yourself from sugar. But what I loved was Mayuri incorporated some Indian medicine techniques linked to using your tongue. I can't remember the name of the medicine, but basically it talks about tongue scraping, which apparently your tongue, hear this, is like a roadmap to your organs, which, I mean, I know about reflexology. That was, I know about reflexology, but I didn't know about the tongue. And we were all given these tongue scrapers, which are not ice cube block picker-uppers or like, a grain of sugar pickup. So that really stood out for me. And also mindfulness. Mayuri went through a whole, the emotions behind our cravings and some of the things that we go through, and taught us about meditation, which, I mean, I know about meditation and know it's good, but this week I deliberately took the time to actually meditate, and like 10 minutes into the meditation, I was crying. Yeah, a lot was happening this week, and I guess it was really good. Mayuri helped with linking the emotions to some of the things that I was going through. And then some of you know that also I had a migraine yesterday, which was not the programmed migraine. I have a program one where I kind of know when it's coming. This one was not scheduled. And while I was chatting to Mayuri about the detoxing, which she feels like it's probably a bit early, but you never know. It could be linked to this program. But next week we're talking a bit more about detoxing, which I'm really excited about. But yeah, those are some of my highlights from this week. Oh, and journaling. Do any of you guys journal? I used to be huge on journaling when I was young. But now I blog, kind of, sort of, maybe. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great week. I will be in touch. Love you lots.